Here we are, drilling my SFIs, the third year in this SFI program on this small field I'm drilling here. We had a 5mm yesterday. When I started you wouldn't know we'd had any rain, but it is actually raining now, but you can still see the dust coming off the drill. I'm now on the last row around the headland. So yeah, but it's still very dry, even though it's raining. Right, I'm just going to do part of the second bit I've got to do. I just checked all the nozzles, not sprayers, all the coulters, they're all working, but the machine is absolutely filthy. I don't think I've ever seen it that bad, because it's so dusty. And then it rained, everything just stuck to it. Right, I've finished drilling. I'm now out in the 270 with the Heaver King rolls. It's raining again, still nowhere near enough rain. As soon as I get a machine out, it rains. Maybe I should just randomly drive tractors up and down the field to see if it'll rain. Right guys, here we are the next day. Unfortunately the sun's out. So this is the result of yesterday's rain shower. When I was doing it, it's absolutely filthy. Sam's over here the other side. We'll go around and see him in a minute, pressure washing it down. I don't think I've ever seen it this dirty before.